क्या चाहिए?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. How you all been? I really hope you all guys are doing great. Sorry for being away for past 2 weeks as we were busy in attending some family function, but now though I am back to the routine, I really hope I can post regular content for you all guys. With this note, let's start today's video. Coming to today's video, today I'm going to share with you all guys my afternoon to night routine, which quite looks similar almost all days. Generally, my morning hours are quite busy and rushy, but afternoons are slower and calmer as everybody else in the house are away from home and I am the only one who is also busy with my office work. These days, the Bangalore weather is quite harsh. The temperature is rising day by day, so it is very important to keep ourselves hydrated always. Even if we are staying indoors or going outdoors, so please, guys, I urge everyone to take care of yourself. So here I have taken a short break from my work and making myself a glass of buttermilk, for which I have taken few mint leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoon of curd, salt, pepper powder, cumin powder, and that's it. Adding chilled water, I will grind it in a blender and serve it in a glass jar. So typically my afternoons get started once my baby boy comes home from his daycare. In between 4 to 4:30 around that time I go to his daycare to pick him up. So here I am enjoying 10 minutes of peaceful time before the storm hits. Kavi. Okay, so he finishes his snacks break in his school and comes home. I generally pack fruits for his snacks break. So once he is home, I will quickly freshen him up and change his dress, after which he will start playing by his own with his toys and I will be resort back to my office work. Around 5:30 or so, my cook will come. I have recently opted for a cook for making dinner. We generally have rotis or chapatis in night, and it is quite difficult for me to prepare dinner after such a tiring day. And also, my boy will not let me work in kitchen for more time. Hence, it was a wise decision to opt for a cook. As I can be worry free once after log off, I can spend quality time with my family, play with my boy, let him learn new things, and also I can utilize this time for my self care. Anyways, coming back to today's dinner, she is making for us chapati and egg curry. क्या चाहिए? What you want? What you want? Okay, once after my cook leaves, I generally take him out for some outdoor play time in our apartment lawn. But today I have skipped it as I need to wrap up few of my office meeting. Hence my husband has taken him out for some outdoor play time. And once he is back around 7:30 or so, I will make him have dinner. If he is in a good mood, he will have his dinner by his own, and if he is not in a good mood or it's not his favorite food, I have to feed him up. But I make sure before feeding him up, I finishes my dinner. So I generally have my dinner early in the evening, and once after both of our dinner is over, I quickly clean up my kitchen with loading dishes in the dishwasher, cleaning the cooking hob, kitchen countertop, and etc. Because my husband takes dinner bit late, and if I wait for him to finish his dinner and then I will clean the kitchen, I will feel lazy by the time to do my work. So I generally try to close my kitchen after cleaning by 8:30 or so if we are not really busy on something very important. And coming back to my dinner, today I had two boiled eggs with some onion and cucumber salad. After the dishes are loaded in dishwasher, I will quickly clean the cooking hob, kitchen countertop and the kitchen sink using some mild cleanser. I make sure I never miss this cleaning routine of my kitchen before wrapping it up, as it ensures the next day cooking starts with a fresh clean kitchen. And it also helps in avoiding the kitchen insects, flies, cockroaches, etc. Looking at a clean, organized, shiny and freshly smelled kitchen is works like a therapy for me. Let me know in comment box how many of you like me. Okay, once after my kitchen to-dos are completed, I quickly go for a short bath. As the summer is going on, it is impossible for me to get a peaceful sleep in night without taking bath. Following that, here I am doing some post bath rituals like applying body lotion and moisturizer before going to bed. After freshen up, I felt like having something chilled again. So here I am making myself a glass of cold coffee which I am going to enjoy in the balcony, as the cool breeze is going on and it almost felt like it is going to rain. But better luck next time, it did not showed up. Anyways, for the cold coffee, I have taken 1 tablespoon of coffee powder with some chilled milk in a blender. After blending, I will serve it in a glass jar with some ice cubes. Generally, I don't prefer to add sugar in any of my beverages, but sometimes when I crave to have something sweet, I prefer to add, or else I skip it. Around 10:30 or so, I make my boy sleep, after which I do my night skincare routine. I have recently started with it, and after which I have seen drastic improvements in my skin. Recently, I have changed my sunscreen, which tend to give me lot of blemishes, dark spots and pigmentation on my skin, for which my dermatologist suggested me new sunscreen, some moisturizer and some pigmentation cream. So I'm using them only in my night skincare. After cleaning my face with some mild cleanser, I will apply some good moisturizer which will keep me hydrated till morning, followed by the pigmentation cream and ends with some lip balm. Okay, so with this, let's end the video here. I will soon come back with another one. Until next time, stay tuned and stay healthy. Thanks for watching till end. Bye bye. Take care.